Hey, do you mind if I ask you some personal questions? It's just to get to know you better.
Sure, why not? Ask away.
So, where do you live?
I live in a cozy apartment in San Francisco. In a neighborhood full of art, cafes, bars, music, interesting people, and lots to do.
Who do you currently live with?
I live with my cousin.
That's cool. Are you married?
No, I'm not. I'm single.
Do you have any kids?
No, I don't, but I would like to have children someday.
What's your nickname?
My friends call me Sparky.
That's a cool nickname. How did you get it?
I got it because I'm always full of energy and enthusiasm.
That's awesome. Where were you born?
I was born in a small town in the Midwest, Kokomo, Indiana.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on June 10th.
How tall are you?
I'm 6'2", so I'm pretty tall. What about you?
I'm 5'8". How much do you weigh?
I weigh about 180 pounds. I try to stay healthy and active. You?
I weigh 130 pounds. What's your shoe size?
I wear a size 10.
What's your blood type?
I'm A positive. What about you?
I'm O positive. What do you do?
I'm a software engineer at a tech company.
Do you have a hidden talent?
I'm pretty good at playing the guitar.
That's cool. What are you most proud of?
I'm proud of my volunteer work at the local animal shelter. It's rewarding to help animals in need.
Wow, that's nice. How would you describe your personality?
I'm outgoing, creative, and always up for trying new things. How about you?
I'm more of an introvert, but I have a great sense of humor. And I love to cook. What's your favorite food?
Oh, that's a tough one. I would have to say sushi. How about you?
I love pizza. And your favorite book?
My favorite book is the Lord of the Rings trilogy. I've reread it countless numbers of times. And I always find something I missed before, and it's always fresh for me.
I've seen the movie, and it's the best movie I've ever seen. Amazing. Where is your favorite place to relax?
I love going to the beach. It's so peaceful and calming.
What are you afraid of?
I'm afraid of spiders. They creep me out.
What's your favorite quote?
My favorite quote is, "Be the change you wish to see in the world," by Mahatma Gandhi. It's so inspiring.
What do you like doing in your free time?
I like hiking, playing music, and hanging out with friends.
How is your relationship with your parents?
It's great. We're very close and talk often.
Opposite people. Did you notice how different our managers are? Yeah, it's like they're from different planets. Mr. Davis is very straight-laced and does everything by the book. Picks up on every mistake we make. While Mr. Lewis is relaxed and blasé about everything, hardly seems to care what we do. I know. I sometimes feel like I'm walking on eggshells around Mr. Davis. He is a perfectionist, so organized and detail-oriented. And Mr. Lewis has a laid-back approach. I've seen him laugh off mistakes that should have been addressed. Yeah, it's like they were born to annoy each other. You can say that again. It's tough to work under these conditions. With the perfectionist, I'm afraid to take creative risks. And with the laid-back manager, I feel like there are no standards. You're right. It's important to find a balance and create an environment where employees can thrive. I think we should talk to the executive manager. Their ideas are too conflicting, and we don't know if we're coming or going.
For more videos, do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.